Unlock the power of Microsoft Excel camera tool and transform the way you work with spreadsheets. In this video, I'm going to guide you through everything you need to know about the Excel camera tool and how to add it to your quick access toolbar for ultimate efficiency. Whether you are managing data or creating dashboards, this tool helps you to take live snapshots of your cells, making it easier to showcase real-time updates. This tool is perfect for professionals and Excel enthusiasts alike. This tutorial is a must watch if you want to boost your productivity in Excel. Alright, let's go. To use the camera tool, you first need to select the range of cells, charts, or objects in Excel that you want to capture. So we are selecting this range of cells. This is what we want to capture. So the next thing to do is to click on your camera tool. This is the camera tool. If you don't have your camera tool in your quick access toolbar, to get it in here, you need to go to File, click on Options, click on Quick Access Toolbar, choose All Commands, then you locate your camera icon. This is the camera icon. You locate it, click on it, and add it to your quick access toolbar and press OK. Alright, so after adding the camera tool to your quick access toolbar, if you can't find your quick access toolbar, you can right click on this place and click on show quick access toolbar. Alright, so the next thing to do after adding your camera tool to your quick access toolbar is to click on the camera icon, then select anywhere. Alright, so see what is happening here. We now have a live snapshot of our data set. Anything that happened to this data set will reflect on these snapshots. Let's do this. Can you see that? So if you change any figure if you make any changes, it's going to definitely appear in your snapshot. Alright, if you delete anything, it's going to reflect in the snapshots. Alright, thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video, and also I want you to subscribe to my channel. See you next time.